Hey guys, Sean here again. Today I'll be unboxing the all-new Bose SoundLink Flex 2nd generation. So I finally decided to get one for myself. This is the most portable speaker from Bose. Also the best sounding portable speaker in the market, that's what I've heard. And yes, finally decided to get one for myself. And I got it in the sandstone color. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright guys, so here's the box of the speaker here. It shows the speaker on the front, so SoundLink Flex, and 2nd gen over here. On the top, nothing special. On the back, says it's made for iPhone and iPad, Android, has Snapdragon sound. And yeah, nothing special. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, slides up just like that. Pretty easy. Over here, it shows you a guide on how to charge your speaker and then turn it on for the first time. That's pretty simple. And here's the speaker itself, all nicely packed up in this plastic. Let's put this to the side for just a moment. Let's see what else we get in the box. Here's the user manual. I think I'll be reading this because it's pretty simple to set up the speaker. And there's a USB charging cable. So it's a USB to USB-C charging cable. That's good that they're giving USB-C with the speaker now. And I think that's about it. You don't get anything else. Open the speaker up real quick. Let's open the seal. Comes out easily, just like that. Alright guys, and here's the speaker itself. Wow. First impressions, I'm loving this color. I'm so happy I opted for this color. It says Bose at the front. And here are the controls. Power button, Bluetooth button, the stereo pairing mode button, then volume down and up, and then play pause. And then on the back, there are some grills over here. And then on the side here, you can use this to hang it anywhere you want, on your backpack or while you're camping. That's pretty useful. And then on this side, there's a USB-C port, so you guys can see. I'm so happy they're providing a USB-C port now, because I hated the older ones. So now you can use your phone charger to charge this. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on for the first time.
Battery 70%. iPad 8.
So I'm gonna play a soundtrack on this real quick. You guys get an idea of how this sounds. You need to put it like this, or like this. Wow, it sounds great. The bass is perfect on this. And that's gonna be it for the sound test, guys. The speaker sounds amazing. The highs and lows are perfect, and the bass is amazing for a speaker this size. I mean, look at it, this is small. And the bass it's producing, it's out of this world. And right now it's on sale for Black Friday. So if you guys wanna get it now. It's a good time. It's like $30 off. It's under $20 from $150. So yeah, that's a good deal if you need a small portable speaker that's also very loud and has a nice sound. I think the speaker is perfect for that. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.